Hello, my name is Neil Good. I'm with the Good Law Group. If we can help you with a Social Security disability case, you can call us at 800-419-7606, or you can reach out to us through our website at thegoodlawgroup.com. Today I'm going to talk about a question that clients ask me all the time, and that is, what are my chances of winning? Well, I'm going to kind of give you the Social Security answer, and then I'm kind of going to give you our answer. Social Security publishes something called the Waterfall Chart every year, and basically it breaks down the percentages of people that they award benefits to at the different levels. I don't really agree with it, but I'm going to give you their numbers and kind of give you my thoughts. So at application, they say 39% of the people get approved. Well, I don't really know, but ours is a lot lower. Even if you're disabled, terminally ill, have a compassionate allowance, it seems a lot more to me like luck, and I would say that's more like 15 to 20%. They then disclose 15% at the reconsideration level. I can't even imagine it's that high, because a lot of people think reconsideration is reconsidering the decision. It's not. It's really making sure they didn't make a mistake the first time. Not that I'm sure what that means, but that's really what the website says. Then they disclose 45% of the people were allowed at hearing. So we do a lot better than that, because we pick the cases. In other words, if somebody calls and they're working or they don't have a real disability, we don't even take their case. So what happens to a lot of those people is they go without a lawyer, and they're included in that. So our percentages is way, way higher than that. It's probably in the 80s or the high 70s. And I'm kind of a sore loser. If I think somebody's disabled and they can't go back to work, then we keep going. So the next level after that is the Appeals Council, and they say that 13% of the cases at the Appeals Council get reversed and remanded for a new hearing. And that sounds about right. That's not a great place to win a case or get a remand. But we also go to federal court. So after you go to the Appeals Council, then the next level is federal court. They say 61% of the people that go to federal court win a remand or win their case outright. Most people get remanded, but I would say our number is way, way higher than that, probably in the high 80s, because we don't typically go to federal court unless we have at least one, if not two statements from doctors, or it's a very clear disability. Another thing that I tell people is, you can kind of see about your judge. So there's a website called disabilityjudges.org, and that has a lot to do with it, winning a case at hearing. So, for example, there's like one judge who's like 20%, and then there's another judge who's 80%. So if you get a judge who's 80% and you have a good case, you're most likely going to win. If you have a judge who's like 20%, even if you have a good case, some of them just deny everybody. They just don't care. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for listening. If we can help you win a Social Security disability case, feel free to call us at 800-419-7606, or you can reach out to us at thegoodlawgroup.com. Thank you for listening.